Wait, whoa! Check out where we're sitting. Guys, I'm so hyped. I'm literally going to Disneyland. I went to Disney World a lot growing up because Michigan's closer to Florida than California. So I've only been to Disneyland I think 1 or 2 times as a very small child, which I understand is still very privileged, but I haven't been there in a while. So I'm super excited to see like what the whole deal is. I feel like Disney World's better just because it's bigger and there's Harry Potter World. We're going to Disneyland and California Adventure because they're right next to each other. 1 park each day for this long weekend, and I am just so excited to like escape to this is basically escapism. I'm escaping the real world to chill at Disney for a couple days to run away from all my actual problems, you know? We're also going to Orange County, but that might be another vlog, we'll see. And I'm packing light, okay? I'm actually packing light this time. I'm bringing a duffel and I'm bringing only 1 outfit per day, okay? Plus PJs. I was thinking this top for Disney, maybe this top for the 2nd day, this top for Orange County stuff. I had to bring my Breaking Bad PJ shirt. That's all I'm bringing, guys. And then I'll probably be carrying around this bag at the park so I can put my camera and water bottle. We were originally gonna train in, which was gonna be $59 round trip from San Diego. But then we were like, we're probably gonna have to Uber a lot, so we're driving instead, using Angela's car, and that means we have a lot more flexibility. So we're gonna leave pretty much right after work today. It is Friday. Not bad, not bad. I feel like the damage could have been worse. The outfit I'm wearing for the drive over is just the seafoam green top, jeans, and I will be putting on my Air Force Ones. Benson wishes he could come to Disney. Is that right? Do you wish that you could come to Disney? You could get little Mickey ears. Looking at 1.5-hour drive. That's not bad at all, but we're going to the B&B first. Guys, Angela recorded the CD as a trial. How old were you again? Like 15? Probably like 15. 15! You're hearing it right now. You're hearing the light. This is like exclusive content. Exclusive. It's actually very exclusive. Exclusive first look. Oh my, oh, the red album. Oh my god. Oh. Makes me feel strong. Shines in my heart, and you keep me away from wrong. The fact that I know this song. Okay, 2009, that was 7th grade. So I think you were like 12. I was 12 in 7th grade. Holy shit. Yeah. That makes more sense, because you sound like a little baby. Yeah, I was a fetus. Even though you're searching, you can never see my face. Isn't it just a disgrace? So good. This is our B&B. It's like high-key of co-living, which I was not aware of when I booked. I thought we got the whole place, but we get 1 room. Okay, so this is our cute little room. So Angela and I are gonna have to share this bed. We have a closet. Where's our bathroom? This is like the kitchen. This is our bathroom. And other room. We're at downtown Disney, checking out some shops. Look at the lights. So we'll definitely dine somewhere. Yes. Oh, they even have Starbucks. Oh yeah, so definitely the Disney dress shop. I want to go to the Lego store, World of Disney, just like any of these. Any of them. I don't know. I'm overwhelmed. Like that kind of sounds good. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, Ralph Brennan's. Guys, this is made out of Legos. Whoa, even that is made out of it? You can build your own. This is a really big moment because we're picking out ears. I really like that one. It's so pretty. Wow, why do I high-key want this? This was my aesthetic as a kid. Oh, that's cute too. I'm like fascinated. It's so like complex. These ones might be it. I really like that one. It's so hard to pick. They have Pixar ones. Cute! Christmas theme. These are the final ears that we've settled on. I got the Little Mermaid one. Mermaid. And she got the rose gold one. This looks amazing. Shrimps and gravy.
My food?
This is exactly what I needed. Just told my mom I was at Disney. Keep social distance. It's pretty accurate. What does it do? The merch is poppin'. This is what we get for not paying $19 extra. So what happened was, we booked the B&B, we didn't know it was a co-living. She'd be taking forever at the bad girl. They said it would be $19 extra a night to have 2 people instead of 1. Our cheap asses didn't want to pay that. So now we're gonna have to hide the fact that we're 2 people. And I think the host lives here. She's on to us. We share a bathroom. See how long we can keep this up without getting caught. We found some reviews on the hosts, Kwong and Dong, and they're both guys. So the girl out there is not one of the hosts. She must be a guest. It is 7:30 a.m. We're trying to get there when the park opens at 8. And the more I think about it, the more I feel like we should do Space Mountain first. Because we were looking at wait times and it was like 80 minutes last night. So we kind of want to go there first to beat the crowd. But we won't have warmed up to the ride, so we were going to do some like easy ones first. But I don't know if we can afford it. Time is money. It's perfect with the hair. So the genie made like a day for us based on wait times. It even tells you like where to eat. They're like alien pizza ordered now for pickup. A little brekkie. They're really making us work for this. We've been walking for like 2 miles. We're hitting up Tomorrowland first. We're doing Astro Blaster. One of my fave rides.
To infinity and beyond. Hey, Buzz, I can't do this without you. You were right all along. I'm not a space ranger. Being a toy is a lot better than being a space ranger. Yeah, right.
Yo, wait. I think you can email it to yourself. It's time for Space Mountain. I'm a little nervy. Ride 2 of the day. Angela's like running. I cannot keep up. We actually went to the lightning lane, so we skipped the whole line. Not ready.
Prayed each night for someone.
Okay, update. That wasn't bad at all. It was more like loopy-loop. There wasn't really any drops. Star Tour. It's drizzling a little bit. That just makes the lines shorter.
Planetary travelers.
Feel so great. I want
We look like the 3 blind mice.
seem to understand every little foolish dream I'm
Catch me out here in the corner seat.
Takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
R2-D2, I am not programmed to find these things.
no one. My mother told me to be.
Way to It's a Small World.
Matterhorn was Angela's favorite. She really liked that one that we just did. But look how cool this Small World building is. It's so intricate. It's our people. Spotted an icon.
Ladies are all set.
Thank you. Pasta for $12, not bad. And it's like a pretty big portion size. Is it pesto though? We're really squished inside here. Got the control? I got the controller. Check out how we're sitting. So you're gonna make us go high or low?
Yeah. Your feet up.
Wait, what?
Your feet up higher.
We're too fat for this.
You can slide her foot in. We're flying, y'all.
We're so Look at these peasants below. This is too adorable. Yo! So cute! Adventureland. Oh wait, they are real. It's like one of those leaf bugs. That one's creepy. It's like a whipping spider. I like the butterflies.
This is what happens when you shower for too long. You turn into an elephant.
Whoa!
They need a bit of persuasion.
Sending hints to Davy Jones.
Oh shit.
Yes.
Your destiny.
Snakes. You guys are on the road.
Lauren has joined us. Okay, that ride was my favorite ride.
So much fun.
Indiana Jones is the best one thus far. We'll see if the Star Wars one is better.
I wait.
Castle photo shoot time, aka taking pics for other people so they can take it for us. We're princesses.
Then, baby,
It's game time.
each night I pray
Like we are those people.
like you.
Oh wait, this is cute. Time for Star Wars. High-key haven't seen Star Wars, but maybe I will after this.
Those love scenes exactly like you. You make me feel so great. I wanna handle what
Single rider line is the way to go.
you
Guys, look how separated.
ski moms.
Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train.
Where are the gunners?
She meant
Engineers, prepare. Jump to light speed. Yes, yes, it's shooting. 3, high, retreat. Container of coaxium. Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
Yo.
me for someone.
How adorable. Little Chewbacca. Just me and Chewie.
Exactly.
It says this ride is one of the most immersive and creative rides ever designed. Wow. Wait, the ride is 20 minutes.
No wonder it takes so long.
How long have we been waiting in line?
30 an hour.
30 only?
Like you.
Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
More blue, 2 red.
Ooh.
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance.
Take it out. Remember the colors you were assigned. Let's go.
Colors are on the transport.
Wait, are we outside?
This transport is now under the command of the First Order.
way.
I'm kind of scared.
Your right-hand side should not fall behind. Utilize both sides of the hallway up ahead.
Hey, you're not authorized.
Oh my god! Whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Attempt to rescue the prisoners.
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
But ultimately hopeless.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! I'm scared. Whoa!
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base. Then I will destroy you and the resistance. I should hope so.
Thoughts? I think that was one of my favorite rides. Because there was a legit drop in there, which I feel like a lot of the other ones haven't had. Yeah, but it wasn't too much. We're starving, so we're about to get some food. There's some Asian food. Let's go. About to get these. Sarah? I like this pod thing. Star Wars Land has been my favorite so far. It's just very immersive and realistic. I feel like I'm on set. I think it's like the Harry Potter world of Disneyland. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's spicy.
Is this your favorite pappardelle? Low-key hoping it's going to be a little bit spicier.
Really?
I like it. I think it's the perfect spice.
Because I'm weak. I'm not good with spice. We're also getting some veggies in. Lit up now. We're gonna try both? The green one. We're gonna try the blue one first. This one's supposed to be more, what was it? Coconut? Fruity? 3, 2,
Cheers.
1, cheers. Whoa. Wait.
I like it.
First impression was that it tastes like medicine, and then I liked it.
Really? It's like a fruit. It's like one of those push pops that you get in elementary school, but like fruity flavor.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's like the texture. I actually really like it. Should we try? Let's try green.
I
feel like we're gonna like blue better.
Yeah, maybe we should have tried green first.
I feel like we're gonna be disappointed now.
Wait, it kind of tastes the same.
No. It's different.
This has more citrus notes. This one.
This tastes more like a soap, but it's very refreshing.
You have really bad comparison. If you say it tastes like medicine and soap, nobody wants to try it.
It's like lime slash something.
Very, very subtle lime.
So which one do you like better? I think I like the blue one better.
Yeah, I think blue. Could you differentiate them?
I could differentiate them.
The test?
Yeah. Wait, can we do a test? I'm gonna close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
I swear I'm not gonna cheat.
Okay,
I'm
don't
not
cheat.
Wait. Again. Green. Is that right?
Yeah.
Angela?
Oh, I can tell.
Blue.
I can tell.
I thought you were gonna get it. I'm surprised you didn't.
Now I'm like, I feel like the flavor's changing a little. Let me try it again. Green.
Blue. Wait, are you serious?
I know they're starting to taste the same, guys.
They're starting to taste the same to me.
They're starting to taste the same.
Oh, thank you. They didn't at first though.
No, they didn't at
Like
first.
the first round, like I could
I
actually
think it's
tell the
because it's
difference.
starting to melt.
You know what? No, I think it's because our liquid from each one keeps going into the other one. Shopping time. Lauren works at Disney, so she gets the discount. Oh my god. With the rip and everything. Wilderness Explorer. Tiaras.
I like this one. Wow, it's made for you.
You like that one? Yes. This is all right. I just don't want to get stuck in here.
Chippy chips.
Oh, I really like that. Wait, and I also love Tangled. It's like my favorite movie. We've pretty much ridden every ride at Disneyland at this point. We're just hitting up some last ones, little baby ones that we haven't gone. This is a throwback. Oh, it's kind of like a haunted mansion type thing. Guys, that toad ride was scary.
I was actually freaked out.
I was like closing my eyes, it was a lot. We got the skewer. Let's see how many steps we got in today. I don't know if this is accurate, but
40,000?
no, 17,000. There's the haunted mansion, but it's closed, unfortunately. Angela finally got her churro. Is it good?
I'm so happy.